In this video, you'll learn how to send cryptocurrency to a non-Binance user. This process involves obtaining the recipient's wallet address and ensuring you select the correct network before making the transfer. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the transaction. Start by obtaining the recipient's wallet address. This is a crucial piece of information as it identifies where the cryptocurrency will be sent. Ensure you also confirm the correct network type that the recipient's wallet supports, as sending to an incompatible network can result in a loss of funds. Next, navigate to your Binance account and locate the wallet section. You can find this option in the main menu at the top of the screen. Once you're in the wallet section, look for the withdrawal option. Clicking on this will take you to the withdrawal interface. Once on the withdrawal page, you will be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. From the drop-down menu, select the specific crypto asset you intend to transfer. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you will be able to enter the recipient's wallet address. Paste the recipient's wallet address into the designated field. It is essential to double-check this address for any errors. Next, select the correct network option from the provided choices. This selection must match the network that the recipient's wallet supports. After confirming these details, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. After entering the amount, review all the details one last time to ensure everything is correct. This includes checking the wallet address, network selection, and amount. Once you are certain that all information is accurate, proceed by clicking on the confirm button to finalize the withdrawal. This action may prompt a confirmation message indicating that the transaction is being processed. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.